y'all, so it is Queen Week and I am back. Duh. Sun. I can't even complain about the sun, like it's so bright. Ugh, goodness. So today I'm getting all the equipment and the items and stuff I need so I can dye my hair. The last time I had to dye was probably about maybe 2 years ago, I want to say. So since I'm out in this new area and I don't really know anybody, I'm gonna do it myself. So wish me luck. Hey y'all, it's Queen Meek and I'm back. So basically what I had to use is Clairol Professional. It's like some type of dye stuff. It has the BW on it, so make sure you grab that when you go. And also a lot of YouTubes that I saw, they said don't mix, like in a metal bowl, because it can mess up the dye and all of that stuff. So what I did basically was mix it in a plastic bowl. I also use this creme, whatever it is. It doesn't really matter what brand you use because everyone else that I've been seeing using it has been using different brands. But as long as it's 30 something, and actually when you get the BW on the pack, it's going to say no more than 20 or something like that. But clearly I got the 30. What you want to do is mix it really, really good to your own consistency. I know a lot of people were saying that they didn't want it too thick or too thin, like runny and stuff. You want it to be good enough to hold like the dye on your locks when you are, dyeing your locks. It doesn't even have to be locks, just any type of dye that you do in your hair. So I just make sure that I mix that. Actually, I recorded only me putting one pack in there, because by the time I got done, oh, sorry, I forgot about this too. So this is one of those professional brush things as well. And what it basically said, I had to take my sip, it probably was coffee or something like that. So basically, what I kept seeing was use this brush. It's like a professional brush, and you want to, when you put the dye on, also use plastic gloves to protect your hands and stuff because it's clearly bleach. But basically what you want to do with the brush is get a decent amount on it. Start from the bottom of the locks and keep on going down. I kept seeing people saying how tedious this task was, and I will admit it was, because it was taking forever for my locks to change. Like even when I started at the bottom, and they've been like colored so many times, so that's probably why it was taking so dang long to finish up. So yep, this is basically what I'm doing. Is just starting from the bottom, going all the way up. I was not touching my roots, so I did part my hair in four sections. And like I said, I was just taking the dye and making sure that I was putting it from the bottom all the way close to the scalp. I waited until I got completely like throughout the head, starting from the bottom to the top part, and then I hit the the scalp, basically, because they were saying that it heats up, so your scalp is like heat, so it's going to heat up the dye and it's going to start turning faster. And then especially I noticed it when I got done with the dye that my roots were very, very lighter, and it's like, dang, they was on the bottom part even longer. So this process was not no joke. And I messed up some good ass pajama pants. That's one thing. Those my first Houston pajama pants that I bought out here, and they're ruined because bleach got on them. So yeah, that's what I was basically doing. It wasn't too difficult. I'll probably, the next time that I do it, I'll probably just not use the brush. I think I'll just use my hands and some gloves. I may have ended up doing that at the end anyways. Where you gonna meet? It's like, what's good? Oh, rubber bands. Yes. Okay, so that's what I was doing, just starting off section to section. And even that amount, I got it on almost every lock that I had and thought it was. And for some reason, it still was taking all dang on day to basically dye and turn bleach and all that stuff. So yes, this is a very time consuming task, but it was well worth it. So just to give y'all a little, more details and stuff on what's going on. So I wanted to find someone out here that can dye my hair, basically, because I'm like, I know how to retwist my hair myself, but a lot of the places that I've seen, I wasn't impressed. So what I did was like, okay, if my hair gonna fall out or it's gonna look whack, it's gonna be because of me, type stuff. So that's why I decided to do it myself. If you don't have the patience for hair and all of that stuff, I would not recommend you to do this, but I've been doing my hair for a long time. I always, every time I go somewhere to a shop or something like that, anyways, I make sure I pay attention to the stylist and everything like that, because clearly I'm only gonna need you that one time, for maybe two, for a good demonstration, and then after that, then I'm good. So that's the reason that I ended up doing it. But also I wasn't feeling, myself too much anyways, and I'm like, something has got to change. I gotta switch it up. I gotta do my hair, and then now that I be doing my hair, I be putting on more clothes and stuff too. So that's just my little background, you did, on why I actually wanted. All right, and then this was probably after I got done with the second bowl. Basically, I mixed it all together. I let it sit. It really wasn't burning my head or anything like that either. Like, it was fine compared to when I used to, go to the shop and stuff and it's burning. My color probably would have been brighter if I would have left it in, but I was just like, it's not even worth it. I'll be okay. So, time to rinse the good old bleach out my hair, you did. Boop, boop. Yeah. Look at this. Look at me. Ooh. I'm about to get in the shower, and yes, I needed more. See, a lot of the black. It didn't seem like it was a lot of black that was missing when I did it, but I ain't putting shit else on this scalp and stuff, so yeah. I'm gonna go with what I know. So I'm about to get in the shower, wash it real good. I'm gonna get out, do the mix and all of that stuff, and yeah. Get back. And now for the Cajun spice reveal, sweetie. Ooh. Ooh. What's good? What is good? I can't wait to retwist this now. Honestly, honey. What's goody, sweetie? Ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. What's happening? I finna go to work like, fat out. How you like me now? Look at them roots, sweetie. Like, look at them. Get in sweet. Great. Okay, I'll be back because I gotta retwist this and charge up my camera now. So, boom. So I honestly feel like I've been working on this hair for 40 days and 40 nights, but I finally got it retwisted. I'm gonna leave it like it is. I'm gonna be going to sleep like what is it? Craig's sister Dana off of Friday, like this. Yep, that's how I sleep too when I get my hair done. So y'all check me out in the morning. Into this length. Alright, bye. Good morning. So this is the final dig of my hair. My little go-to style that I usually always do, and I'm about to get ready for work, so let's get it. Period.